This video demo will show you how to search for as well as sort documents within the Documents section of your transaction dashboard. To get started, you need to be in the Documents tab of any transaction that you have. If you're not in the Documents tab, please go there first before you can watch the rest of this video. Once you're in the Documents tab, you can begin searching for documents by going over here to the right-hand side, putting your cursor in the Search by Document or Folder name box, and begin typing in the name of the document or folders that you would like to search for. In this example, I'm going to begin searching for any documents that begin with the letter Earth. And then I'm going to click on the magnifying glass. You must click on the magnifying glass in order to search for documents. Reesio will not automatically start to search as you type in, so you must click on the magnifying glass over here on the right-hand side in order to search for documents. Once I click on the green magnifying glass, the results will show up that contain the words. I'm not doing a good job on this one. This video demo will show you how to search for documents as well as sort documents within the Documents section of your transaction dashboard. To get started, make sure you're within the Documents tab of the transaction dashboard. If you're not in the Documents section of the transaction dashboard, you'll need to go there first. Once you're within the Documents tab of the transaction dashboard, you can begin searching for documents by coming over here to the right-hand side and putting your cursor in the Search by Document or Folder name box. Once your cursor's in there, begin typing in the name of the document or the entire document name that you'd like to search for. In this case, I'm going to search for all documents that contain the word Earth. Then click on the green magnifying glass, and Reesio will automatically search for and present the results of all document and folder names that contain the word Earth. So in this example, it returned 4 documents that all have earthquake in it. You can also, of course, type in the full document name, and that will narrow your search results even further. So the more that you type in over here in the box and search for, the more narrow your search results will be. After you're done searching for document or folder names, if you want to reset it back to the beginning where it shows all of your documents, then you can come over here on the Folder tab and click here, and it will now reset everything back to the beginning, and there won't be any search results showing. I'm going to start over. This video demo will show you how to search for documents as well as sort documents within the Documents tab of your Reesio transaction dashboard. If you're not already in the Documents tab, you should come over here first and click on the Documents tab. Once you're in the Documents tab of your transaction dashboard, you can search for documents or folders by coming over here to the right-hand side and putting your cursor in the Search by Document or Folder name box. Once your cursor is in the Search by Document or Folder name box, you can begin typing in the name of any document or folder that you want to search for. The more specific and more details that you type into the box, the narrower your search results will be. So for example, if I type in the word EA and then click on the magnifying glass, it's going to return all documents that have the words EA in it. Now if I get more specific and I type in earthquake, hazards, and click search, it's going to narrow my results even further to just those that have earthquake and hazards in them. You can always see the results of your search over here in the breadcrumbs section of the Documents tab. So you can see in quotes that my search term is earthquake hazards. Once I've narrowed my search result to whatever I want, then I can open up any documents from the search results just as if I was in the regular part of the Documents tab. And I can click on the link here, for example, to open up the document. I can click on the document properties. I can do whatever I want with the document as if I normally would. To reset your search results back to the beginning, in other words, to show all of your documents back at once, all you need to do is click on the little folder icon at the beginning of the breadcrumbs, and it will take you back to the main section of your documents, and it will show you all of your document results again. So that is how you search for documents. Now let's show you how to sort by documents. So right now, I have all my documents sorted by document name in alphabetical order. You can change the criteria of your sorting results at any time by clicking on this button, and a drop-down list will appear with all the different criteria that you can choose from to sort documents by. So you can sort documents by name, by type, so whether they're folder or documents, by signature state tag, and newest and oldest uploads. So for example, right now I have all documents sorted by document name and alphabetical from A to Z. I could flip that around and resort them in alphabetical order from Z to A. And you will see all my documents will get resorted in this order. I can also sort it by signature state from A to Z. And it will automatically sort by signature state from A to Z over here. If I leave and come back into the Documents tab, the last sorting criteria that I chose is what will be shown here. So we will save your sorting results or your sorting criteria even if you leave and come back into the Documents tab. So that is how you can easily search for documents and folders, as well as sort by documents and folders by the different criteria that Reesio has to offer.